All right, let's move on to Ielts speaking part 2. Describe a quiet place you like to spend your time in.
Yeah, to be honestly, there is hardly a place left where I can be quiet and that have peace of mind. But what I do for that to have the peace of mind, I would like to go to northern places, and in a year, couple of time, I would like to visit there, and mostly I go to Hunza to Skardu, and I have that like the majestic that glaze of those mountains, so which happens to change every 4 to 5 kilometers. So I would like to say that that is the best place I know. And to be honestly, I'm very fond of food, and I like to have yak karahi over there. And there's also a cafe I visited last, I think, in 2021, and they have very good grill burger over there, and I like to that have to sit there and to just watch the scenery over there, and it was very good because when you go there, you see that the people are very nice. This is a quiet place, and you have lots of time to just go and watch the place and just admire the place. And I know that
All right,
okay.
fantastic. 1
Okay.
minute 32 seconds, which
Yeah.
is quite fine.
Okay.
As you started, you said to be honestly. So it's not honestly, it is to be honest.
To be honest, okay.
All right, and you said this twice. And then you said I visit this place in 2021. It should have been I visited.
Visited.
Okay, so just try to avoid such type of mistakes.
Okay,
But
okay.
overall, fluency and pronunciation, they are fine.
Okay.
It's only grammar.
That is
And
why
try
I'm
to
here.
use a variety of words.
Yeah.
Because when you speak, you repeatedly use sometimes the same words and sometimes the same structure. I would like to say. So try to avoid that as well.
Yeah. This is the first time that's
No problem. Let's move on. Speaking part 3. Is it difficult to find quiet places in cities?
Yeah, that is totally it's not there because in my house there's and hardly a place left, that where children makes noise, and I think in the night.
Listen. Don't talk about your house. Talk about
Yeah.
your city. Is it hard to find quiet place in cities? Just talk about the traffic and the problems of the city, not your house and all
I
that.
don't live in city. I just live outside the city, so that's why I'm telling you, because
Okay.
I don't.
But your
go
answer doesn't relate to the question.
Okay,
Is it hard
okay.
to find quiet places in cities?
Yeah, it is.
Yes, it is.
It is.
And one more thing, you're just saying repeatedly saying it is some sort of that thing. This is called repetition. So try
Okay.
to come out of that as well.
Yeah, that is why I'm here.
All right. So that's what I'm telling you. You need to improve that. Okay.
Yes, exactly.
All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you.